Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can draw an animated overlay on live camera preview in native Android application and do an image capture as well. So let's go through the demo first. So here you can see I have the camera open. It will ask, I have my app open. It is asking me for the camera permission, so I'll just give it the camera permission. And once I give the camera permission, here you can see the Android logo is getting animated. So this is what I was talking about. So I can just move my device as well just to prove it to you. Now this there is little bit of glitch effect. I'm not sure if you saw it or not. It sometimes happens. It is because the Media 3 library for Android for Camera X is still in alpha. That's why. So yeah, now what I'll do is I'll just click on this take photo button and it should capture the image along with like this animated overlay or animated image along inside our photo as well. So if I just go, I'm not displaying that image inside our app, but if you want you can display it as well. So here I can just go to images, and if I just open this image, here you can see the animated overlay being captured as well. So yeah, that's what this is. So let's see how to achieve this. So I'm using XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. So it's completely up to you. The reason I'm not using Jetpack Compose is Camera X library for Jetpack Compose is still not stable yet. That's why. So first you need to go to build.gradle.kts, and here you need to add few dependencies. So first one is camera core, then camera 2, camera life cycle, camera view, then media 3 effect, media 3 transformer, and then this camera media 3 effect, which is still in alpha at the time of me recording this video. But if it does become stable, make sure you use the stable version, and then you just have to click on sync now and it will download all the Android dependencies for you. Then you need to go to an Android manifest.xml, and here you need to add uses feature of Android hardware camera. Then I have a camera permission as well as write external storage permission. Then inside the RES drawable I have added this banner icon. So you can add whatever image you feel like is right for your application. Then you need to go to layout activity underscore main, and here I have taken one preview view to the camera preview which occupies the entire width and height of the screen, and one button. This is the capture button. Okay, then you need to create this animated logo overlay file. Now I will simply scroll through this file. Even I have copy pasted this code from the Android GitHub documentation, GitHub code, source code. So even I'm not really good at this. So I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video and just copy the code. The only thing which you need to know is here it should be your own image name. That's it. Rest everything remains the same. Okay, so here you can see they are animating with the help of keyframes. I'm not really good at animations, so yeah, I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video and just copy all this code. Okay, so that's it. Now you need to just go to main activity, and here firstly these are all the imports. Again, simply feel free to pause the video and copy these imports. We don't require this frame drop effect. I'll just remove this. So here we have to annotate with @unstable API because this media 3 with camera X is still bit unstable. Here is our image capture, here is our camera executor, here is our viewfinder, here is our button. Then here we use register for activity result where we request multiple permissions. Once permission is granted, we call start camera, else we just call this toast message to display this permission denied error. Then inside on create we initialize our viewfinder, we initialize our button, then we add a click listener as well, and here we call take photo. If all permissions are granted, then we call start camera, else we call request permission. Then here we initialize our camera executor, here we call take photo, here we get hold of our image capture, then we initialize the simple date format. Then we do content values.apply by passing the display name mime type, and if Android version greater than P, we also set the relative path. Then we initialize the image capture.output file options. Then we do image capture.take picture passing in the output options. Then here we override on error as well as on image saved. So once the image is saved, we shut down our camera executor, and here is the URI of the saved image. So if you want to display it inside an image view, you can do that as well. Then here is our start camera where we define our aspect ratio strategy. Here is our resolution selector. Here is our camera provider feature. We add a listener, we get hold of our process camera provider. Then we initialize the preview view, we initialize our image capture as well. Here we get hold of our default back camera. Then we do use case group.builder, add the preview use case as well as image capture use case. Then we initialize the media 3 effect. Then we do immutable list.builder passing our texture overlay, and here we call the Kotlin file which we have just created, animated logo overlay. Then we do media 3 effect.set effects by passing in the overlay effect overlays builder.build. Then we do pass the media 3 effect to our use case group builder. We unbind our camera provider, we bind it to the life cycle over here. Then here we have method for requesting camera permission. Here we have another method for checking whether all permissions was granted or not. Then inside on destroy we shut down our camera executor. Then here we have one variable for getting the camera permission. If Android version less than equal to P, we also set the write external storage permission. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.